Assalamu alaikum, hello and namaste. Welcome to another inspiring episode, number 22 of the Limelight podcast show. I'm your host Fareen, and today we have on the hot seat Dr. Neha Sachdeva. She's a dentist currently working at Clover Medical Center, Dubai. Welcome to the Limelight, Dr. Neha. How are you doing today?
Hello, Fareen, and a big hello to all the listeners. Thank you for tuning in. I'm really excited to be doing this, Fareen. How are you?
I'm doing great, dear. It's an honor to have you on the show.
Thank you, Fareen.
So, how was your day?
My day has been really good so far. It's really nice weather in Dubai these days, so I'm enjoying the weather, yes.
Yes, it's a splendid weather.
Yeah, splendid weather, yes.
Yeah. So, Dr. Neha, before we get into your journey as a dentist, I want you to tell our listeners about your personal life.
I'm actually from Delhi. My parents live there, and so does my younger brother, who's an architect. And I moved to Dubai a year and a half ago with my husband, who's also a dentist.
Okay, that's very nice. And I wish you all the best for your future.
Thank you, thank you.
You're welcome, dear. As you're a dentist, tell us more about dentistry because most of us don't know much about. We only know we go there to do root canal or if we have any tooth problems. So,
Yes,
can you
yes,
educate us?
yes, of course. Actually, I'm a dentist working with Clover Medical Center in Dubai. I have done my master's in the treatment of gum diseases. And talking generally more about dentistry, I feel that dentistry is not just about, pulling out teeth or fixing teeth or getting root canals anymore. It has got many more dimensions to it. And with greater patient expectations and newer technologies, it has truly evolved. A very important fact that I would like to discuss about dental disease is that it is preventable, So the focus is now on preventive dentistry. So wherein preventive treatments such as fluoride treatment, regular cleaning of teeth, regular checkup and cavity sealants are emphasized more. Another very important aspect of dentistry these days is aesthetic dentistry, wherein we do smile makeovers, whitening of teeth, tooth jewelry, among other things.
Okay.
So then, perfect and a great looking smile, when achieved, can do like wonders for one's confidence. And also for better standards of work, we now have specialities for all the treatments that we do. Like for example, we have braces specialists that straighten out teeth. We have aesthetic dentists for smile makeovers. We have oral surgeons, implant dentists that place implants for missing teeth. We have child specialists. We have root canal specialists and gum specialists. So these days we have specialities for all the fields of dentistry. And another thing is that, with all the advancement in dentistry, we can now provide treatment to patients in a more comfortable and relaxed manner. There are many patients still that have this phobia or are very scared or anxious about dental treatment. And sometimes they don't get treatment done just out of fear. So now we have something called as conscious sedation, where patients can easily and safely be sedated on the dental chair itself, while the dentist can perform all the dental procedures. So, the trends in dentistry are changing, and thankfully they're only changing for better.
Yes, I must say, I used to have that phobia of, I don't know what that phobia is called, going to a dentist, but then now I'm quite comfortable in going to a lot of dental procedures, and all thanks to modern technology and doctors like you.
Yes, oh, that's nice to know.
Yes. Okay, Dr. Neha, tell us more about Clover Medical Center.
Clover Medical Center is a multi-speciality dental clinic headed by our founder, Dr. Sameer Sheikh, who is a well-known orthodontist. It has 3 branches in Dubai. We have one branch in Tecom, another one in Dubai, and one in Al Nada. To be very honest, it is quite different from the other clinics that I know of. We aim at providing ethical and specialized dentistry, having all the dental specialists on the team with the latest state-of-the-art technology and equipment, But apart from all that, we also focus on making a difference at a bigger or a community level. We organize dental wellness exercises for schools where we give free dental checkups to all children along with dental awareness program wherein we teach them the right oral hygiene practices and habits. And similar dental awareness programs we've organized for corporates, offices, hotels, etc. And we also have a team headed by Dr. Seema, aesthetic dentist, going to remote areas like Ladakh in India, providing free dental treatment for kids there, and who have like limited access to the treatment otherwise. And we also try and make dentistry fun, especially for children. We have a tooth fairy who will give out presents to them, interact with them about dentistry. This is to basically, to allay any fears they have of dentistry.
Right.
So we also have Halloween candy buyback program every year, which is initiated by our aesthetic dentist Dr. Seema, wherein children give their extra Halloween candies to us and we then distribute to the less fortunate. So essentially, we keep ourselves busy here at Clover Medical Center with many more activities and events other than just routine dentistry. So it makes it much more satisfying and a lot of fun being a part of this organization.
Yeah, it really sounds interesting because as a career, you have your dentistry and also you're doing community service at the same time.
Yes.
That's really good. My next question will be, what are the challenges you face as a dentist?
See, like any other profession, dentistry has its own challenges. One of the more important ones I would say is non-compliance of patients. See, when patients report to us with problems, we do our bit to restore their health and fix their teeth. And after that, the patients need to maintain the results of the treatment by avoiding harmful habits and incorporating healthier habits. But sometimes patients fail to keep up their side of the bargain, squandering the results achieved with the treatment. So the major tool to overcome this, I think, is patient motivation. So every time after any treatment, I personally make sure that I sit down with the patient to counsel the patient to adopt healthier lifestyle and make better choices. So yes, this is one of the things that is quite challenging.
Yeah, the treatment and after that.
Yes, what comes after treatment? Yes. Because if you go back to your old habits and then problem will start again.
True.
So to maintain what we do and then follow like better hygiene habits and all of that is also equally important.
Yes, you're right. You're absolutely right. Okay, so Dr. Neha, I have something interesting for you now.
Okay.
There is a rapid fire round.
Okay.
These are random questions and you can take a one word or a sentence to answer it.
Okay.
So, what is your favorite TV drama or serial?
I like Friends. I think, after a hard day's work, when you go back home, I like to watch something fun.
Okay, that's nice.
Yeah.
Okay. If you were given a chance to have a superpower of your choice, what would that be?
Maybe I would like to read people's minds, That would be interesting to know, like what they're actually thinking.
Okay, I thought maybe you wanted to be a tooth fairy.
Oh well. We already have one right now, Clover Medical Center. We don't need any more.
Okay, that's good. Now, the best advice given to you.
The best advice which is given to me would be by my father, who's told me never to give up. So I think whenever I've had trying times in my life, always thought of what he had said and always given me the confidence to buckle up and do better.
That's really nice. Okay, what is the most interesting thing you have in your purse or a bag?
So we have these little colorful tooth boxes that our tooth fairy usually gives the children. So once their milk teeth fall out, they can put them in the box and bring them to us. And then the tooth fairy at the clinic gives them presents in return. So I always carry some in my bag and give them to the children I meet. And they seem to really like it.
Interesting. Different one.
Hmm.
Okay, that was the end of the rapid fire round.
Okay. That was
Now,
fun actually.
thanks. Now we are at the last segment where we ask you to give advice to our listeners.
My advice, well, actually, all I would like to say is that I'm very passionate about my work and I love what I do.
Mhm.
So I think we must try and find happiness in our work, and then it doesn't feel like we're working anymore. Also, as a dentist, I would like to emphasize on the importance of regular dental checkups.
Mhm.
Because any dental problem detected at an early stage treated more efficiently. And you know what happens is that during the initial stages of dental disease, patients don't have any pain or any problem. They're not aware of what's really going inside their mouth
Mhm.
until when they have pain or any problem. And by that time, the treatment required becomes more extensive and more difficult. So
Okay.
hence, I would just like to emphasize on the importance of early or a regular routine dental checkup.
Mhm. Yeah, that's really nice. Thank you so much for the advice, Dr. Neha. It was a pleasure to talk to you and to know more about different types of dentistry and how we can keep our teeth intact. So, I thank you a lot for taking time out of your busy schedule and coming and talking with us.
Thank you, Fareen. It was really great to be a part of this show, and I truly hope the listeners gained some tips from our conversation today. So now we have a little surprise for our listeners. We have a voucher here for free cleaning, free checkup, and free x-ray. To win this voucher, all you have to do is like the Clover Medical Center page, the Limelight page, and share and tag this interview and comment done. And the voucher could be yours. All of the participants will get a free dental checkup at any of our Clover Medical Center branches. Thank you all for listening. Bye bye.
Wow, Dr. Neha, that was huge. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, Fareen.
Okay, listeners, you have to like the Clover Medical Center page and the Limelight page. Also, tag and share this interview. And you never know, you could be the lucky winner of this voucher. So, thank you for listening and Allah Hafiz.